Hello students, welcome back to my class. I am Mohammad Asim, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you English grammar. In English grammar, the topic that I am going to teach you today is voice. I have taught you the voice in previous class. In this class I am going to do the exercises of the voice. So we will do the exercises in this class. So today's teaching topic is voice exercises. I am not going to do all the exercises here at board. What I will do a few exercises from a few sentences from your exercises that you can understand it and can do it yourself. But about 50% I will do the exercises about 50%, and the remaining 50% exercises will be done by you. Okay, so let's start with exercise number 1. In exercise number 1, it is given, underline the verbs in the following sentences and tell whether they are in the active or in the passive voice. We have only to tell either the sentence is in active voice or in passive voice. The first sentence is, he is liked by all. He is liked by all. Who can tell me either is it active voice or passive voice? He is the subject and is liked is the verb, and we also see the by. That tells us that the sentence is in passive voice. The subject is not going to do the work itself. The subject is not active. The subject is passive. He is liked. He is not going to do this work, but this work is done by other. Okay, that's why this is passive voice. In passive voice, this is passive voice, and the tense is simple present tense. In simple present tense, we use is IMR plus third form of main verb. So this is passive voice. Okay, I am not going to write always voice. I will write active or passive. Okay, so let us see the next one. The boy made a kite. The boy made a kite, and I told you when I was teaching you voice that you can understand either the sentence is in active voice or passive voice by seeing the verb of that sentence. In this sentence, the boy is the subject and he is going to do the work. The subject is active. This subject is doing this work. That's why this is active voice. Okay, this is active voice. This is second form of main verb. It tells us that the sentence is in simple past tense. Now let us see the next one. The cat drank all the milk. The cat drank all the milk. In this sentence, we have a subject and a verb in the same way as the previous sentence. It is simple past tense, second form of main verb, and you know that we don't use the second form of main verb in passive voice. We use the third form of main verb along with the helping verb. Here isn't any helping verb, and this is the cat who is going to do the work. That's why the subject is active. So this is active voice. Now let's see the next one. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep. Is it active voice or passive voice? Who can tell me? Little Bo Peep is the subject, has lost it tells us that this is present perfect tense in active voice, not in passive voice. जब पैसिव वॉइस होता है तो हैज़ या हैव के बाद बीन भी लगता है, और हमें ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद जो ऑब्जेक्ट से पहले हम बाई का यूज़ करते हैं, या जो है किसी दूसरे प्रीपोजिशन का भी कभी कभी यूज़ करते हैं. सो लिटिल बो पीप हैज़ लॉस्ट, दिस इज द वर्क डन बाय दिस सब्जेक्ट, दैट्स वाई द सब्जेक्ट इज एक्टिव. सो दिस इज एक्टिव वॉइस. नाउ लेट अस सी the next one. Here are 12 sentences, so I will do the 6. The cat was chased by the dog. The cat was chased by the dog. Okay, the cat is the subject, was chased is the verb, and we also see by. We see that here is a helping verb and a main verb in third form, and by also, and the subject is passive. The cat was chased. The cat is not going to do this work, but it is somebody else, someone else who is going to do the work. That's why this is, the subject is passive. And here we see was plus third form of main verb. It tells us that this is simple past tense passive voice. Okay, so this is passive voice. Next, this will be the last of exercise number 1 that I will tell you. So the student noise frightened the dog. The student noise frightened the dog. Frightened the dog. Who has frightened the dog? The student noise. The subject is active, and this is second form of main verb. We don't have any helping verb. It means this is simple past tense, second form of main verb, simple past tense, active voice. So this is active. This is active voice. Okay. Now you will complete the remaining 5 sentences, 6 sentences yourself. And if you face any problem, you can contact me. Now let us see next exercise. Exercise number 2 is rewrite the following sentences in passive voice. Active voice is given, and we have to change those sentences into passive voice. Here are 12 sentences, so I will change only 6 sentences, and the remaining 6 sentences will be changed by yourself. So the first one, the man cut down the tree. The man cut down the tree. Full stop. The man is the subject, cut down is the verb, and the tree is the object. First of all, we have to see the tense of the sentence. Cut down, second form of main verb. Cut, cut, cut. First, second and third form of main verb are the same. This is second form of main verb, means simple past tense. This is the object. Object will be the subject in passive voice. So the tree, and in simple past tense we use helping verb was or were. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस होता है तो हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब वाज और वर का यूज करते हैं पैसिव वॉइस में. ओके, सो द ट्री इज सिंगुलर, दैट्स वाई वाज, and the main verb would be in third form. The third form is also cut, so cut down, and then we use by, and then the subject of active voice will be the object in passive voice by the man. Okay, so this is active voice and this is passive voice. Now let's see the second sentence. The second is the jackal followed the tiger. The jackal followed the tiger. The jackal followed the tiger. This is also simple past tense, second form of main verb. This is subject, this is verb, this is object. The object of active voice will be the subject in passive voice. So the tiger would be the subject. The tiger. The tiger is singular, that's why we will use was, because the sentence is simple past tense. Was. The third form of followed is followed, then by, and then the subject of active voice will be the object in passive voice, by the jackal. Full stop. This is passive. Okay. Now let us see the third sentence. The third sentence is, his teacher praised him. His teacher praised him. This is also the same. तीनों ही sentences क्या है? Simple past tense में है. So praised tells this is the subject, this is main verb in second form, this is object. So this is also the same as above sentences. So we have only to change him. The subjective form of him is he, and then he is singular, that's why was, he was. Then third form of main verb praise, third form is also praised, and then by, and the subject will be the object in active voice, passive voice, his teacher. Full stop. So this is the changing ruler from active to passive. Sentence number 4 is, he made a very remarkable discovery. He made a very remarkable discovery. This is active voice, and we have to change it into passive voice. So he is the subject, made is the verb, a very remarkable discovery is the object. This is also simple past tense, the same type of sentence. So a very remarkable discovery, a very remarkable discovery is, was, simple past tense. This is simple past tense, that's why was. Third form of made is made, and then by, objective form of him is him. This is passive voice. Okay. Now let's see sentence number 5. Sentence number 5 is, he invited us into his house. He invited us into his house. This is active voice, and we have to change it into passive voice. So what will be the passive voice of this sentence? This is also simple past tense. He is subject, invited verb or subject. Okay, so we will make us as the subject. Us, the subjective form of us is we. With we will use were. We plural है इसलिए वह यूज करेंगे, because the sentence is simple past tense. And third form same. Invited by him into his house. His house. This is passive. Okay. Now let us see one more example. This will be the last example of this exercise, and you will do the remaining sentences of the exercise yourself. The sixth one is, Shivaji defied the Mughal emperor. Shivaji defied the Mughal emperor. This is active voice, and we have to change it into passive voice. This is also the same simple past tense. Shivaji subject, defied verb, and the Mughal emperor is the object. So this will be the Mughal emperor. The subject is singular, that's why we will write was. This is simple past tense. Was defied by Shivaji. By Shivaji. Full stop. This is passive voice. Okay. So this is passive voice. So this is exercise number 2. Exercise number 3 is rewrite the following sentences in active voice. Passive voice is given and we have to write those sentences into active voice. Here are 10 sentences, so I will change only 5 sentences into active voice. The first one is America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. America was discovered by Christopher Columbus. This is passive and we will change it into active. So we know that we will change. This is the object. The object of passive voice will be the subject in active voice. Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus. Now we have to see the subject verb of the sentence. Was discovered. Helping verb was plus third form of main verb tells us that the sentence is in simple past tense. In active voice, in simple past tense we use the second form of main verb. हम active voice के जो है simple past tense में second form लिखते हैं verb का, was were को नहीं लिखते हैं. तो क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस discovered, second form is discovered. Christopher Columbus discovered what? The subject of active voice will be the object in, and the subject of passive voice will be the object in active voice. America. हमने बताया था एक्टिव वॉइस और पैसिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट एक दूसरे से चेंज होते रहते हैं. जब हम सब एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस में लेकर के जाएंगे तो सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. फिर वही ऑब्जेक्ट अगर हम वहाँ से फिर एक्टिव वॉइस बनाएंगे तो एक्टिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा. ओके उसी तरह से ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट वन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज ही वाज ट्रीटेड अनग्रेटफुली बाय हिज सेलर्स. He was treated ungratefully by his sailors. This is active and this is passive. We will change it into active voice. So he is the subject, was treated is the verb, ungratefully is the adverb, and his sailors is the object. The object of passive voice will be the subject in active voice. So his sailors. This is was treated tells us that the sentence is in simple past tense, and in simple past tense active voice we use second form of main verb. हम active voice के जो है simple past tense में active voice में verb की second form को use करते हैं. So the second form is treated. The his sailors treated. The subject of passive voice will be the object in active voice. That his sailors treated him ungratefully. Full stop. This is active voice. Okay. Now let us see the third one. The third is the work must be done by you and your brother. The work must be done by you and your brother. This is passive, and we will change it into active. So the work is the subject, must be done is the verb, you and your brother is the object. So the object of passive voice will be the subject in active voice. You and your brother. Then we have to see the verb, must be done. Must is modal verb, and I told you that with modal verb in active voice we use the modal verb plus first form of main verb, and in passive voice we use modal verb plus be plus third form of main verb. For example, must be done. So we will write must and we will remove b को remove कर देंगे, and the main verb will be in first form. एक्टिव वॉइस में मेन वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म में होगा मॉडल वर्ब्स के साथ. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ डन इज डू. द यू एंड योर ब्रदर मस्ट डू. द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस विल बी द ऑब्जेक्ट इन पैसिव वॉइस. मस्ट डू द वर्क. फुल स्टॉप. दिस इज एक्टिव वॉइस. ओके. Sentence number 4 is the match was owned by the high school. The match was owned by the high school. The high school. Full stop. This is passive, and we will change it into active. So the match is the subject, was owned is the verb, and the high school is the object. The object of passive voice will be the subject in active voice. The high school, then was owned tells us that this is simple past tense passive voice. Simple past tense passive voice में हम was verb और verb की थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज़ करते हैं. तो हम जब एक्टिव वॉइस में इसको चेंज करेंगे तो इसका सेकंड फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे. वी विल चेंज इट इनटू सेकंड फॉर्म. द मेन वर्ब ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस विल बी चेंज इनटू सेकंड फॉर्म इन एक्टिव वॉइस. सो दिस इज थर्ड फॉर्म. सेकंड फॉर्म इज आल्सो ओन. विन, ओन, ओन. सो द हाई स्कूल ओन, देन द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस विल बी द ऑब्जेक्ट इन एक्टिव वॉइस. ओन द मैच. Full stop. This is active. This is active voice. Okay. Now let's see sentence number 5. Sentence number 5 is we will be blamed by everyone. We will be blamed by everyone. Okay, this is passive, and we have to change it into active. We is the subject, will be blamed is the verb, and everyone is the object. So the object of passive voice will be the subject in active voice. So everyone. Then we have to see the tense of the sentence. Will be done. This tells us that the sentence is in simple past tense, simple future tense. Simple future tense passive voice. But in simple future tense active voice we use will or shall plus first form of main verb. So we will use with everyone we will use will, and we will remove be, then the first form of main verb blame. Everyone will blame, and the subject of passive voice will be the object in active voice. Will, everyone will blame us. Full stop. This is active voice. Okay, so this is sentence number 5. Now you will do the remaining 5 sentences yourself. Exercise number 4 is rewrite the following sentences by changing the voice. We have to change the voice. If there is active voice we will change it into passive voice. If there is passive voice we will change into active voice. So the First one, the peon opened the gate. The peon opened the gate. Opened the gate. Full stop. This is active voice. Subject plus second form of main verb, simple past tense plus object. This is active voice. It means we will change it into passive voice. ये active voice है तो हम इसको किस में change करेंगे? Passive voice में. The object of active voice will be the subject in passive voice. So the gate. And this is, now we have to see the tense of the sentence. Opened is second form of main verb. It means the sentence is simple past tense. In simple past tense we use was by helping verb plus third form of main verb. Gate is singular, that's why was, and the third form of main verb opened. The gate was opened and then by, and the subject of active voice will be the object in passive voice, the peon. Full stop. This is passive. Next sentence. Next sentence is, the boy was beaten by a dog. The boy was beaten by a dog. This is passive voice. How? Who can tell me how is this passive voice? Subject plus was and third form of main verb is used in simple past tense passive voice. The subject is also passive here, and also here is by, and here is the object dog. So the sentence is in passive voice, so we will change it into active voice. A dog will be the subject in active voice, a dog. Then the second form of main verb, हम simple past tense में main verb की second form लिखते हैं active voice में. So beaten, first form is bite, second form beat. Okay, a dog, bit, beat whom? Then the object, a dog beat the boy. Full stop. This is active voice. Okay, now let's see the next one. Third one is, the sudden noise frightened the horse. The sudden noise, the sudden noise frightened the horse. Frightened the horse. This is active voice. It means we will change it into passive voice. How? The sudden noise is the subject, frightened is the second form of main verb, and we don't have any helping verb, and in passive voice we always have helping verb. This is the second form of main verb. It tells us that the sentence is in simple past tense, active voice, and horse is the object. So the horse will be the subject in passive voice. The horse, the horse, the horse is singular, that's why was. Third form of main verb, frightened, frightened. The horse was frightened at, because of this frightened, the horse was frightened at the sudden noise. At the sudden noise. Sometimes we don't use this is passive. Sometimes we don't use by in passive voice. So the horse was frightened at the sudden noise. The fourth sentence is, sentence number 4 is, he will finish the work in a fortnight. He will finish the work. He will finish the work in a fortnight. In a fortnight. This is active voice. How is it active voice? He is the subject, will finish, we use will shall plus first form of main verb in simple future tense, active voice. The work is the object. Okay, so we will write the work the work, and in passive voice we will write will be or shall be, will be, and the third form of main verb finish, third form finished. The work will be finished, then by. The object is he, objective form him, in a fortnight. This is passive. Okay. Now let's see sentence number 5. Sentence number 5 is the bird was killed by a cruel boy. The bird was killed by a cruel boy. This is passive. Who can tell me how is it passive? This is passive because the bird is the subject, and was killed tells us that the sentence is in simple past tense. Passive voice was plus third form of main verb. Then here is also by, and a cruel boy here is the object. So a cruel boy, a cruel boy. We use second form of main verb in simple past tense. Killed, a cruel boy killed the bird. The bird. This is active voice. Okay, so this is sentence number 5. Now here are 5 more sentences in this exercise, and you will do those remaining sentences by yourself, and if you face any problem you can contact me. Okay, so for today my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.